Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are reviewing about Proton email. So one of the most popular and private secure Gmail alternative available right now. If you care about privacy and data security, this video is for you. So let's talk about what is Proton email. Well, Proton Mail is an email servicing designed with privacy and security as the core priority. Unlike Gmail, Proton Mails use end-to-end encryption, which means only you and your recipients can read your message. Not even Proton can access them. It's based on Switzerland, which has strong privacy laws, so your data is protected by strict legal regulations. So now let's talk about its key features. Here are some standards key features of ProtonMail. End-to-end encryption keeps your email private and secure. No ads, no tracking and no data harvesting. Clean model inbox that easy to use. Mobile apps and web access like Gmail. Custom inbox themes and dark mode options. Optional encrypted calendar and VPN with some plans. These features make it strong choice if privacy your top concern. Every tool, every software has its pros and cons. So let's compare it briefly with Gmail. Well, Proton Mail has much stronger privacy and encryption, no ads and no data scamming, based under Swiss privacy laws. But free plan storage is smaller than Gmail. Gmail gives you 15 GB free, while Proton Email free is unlimited around 1 GB storage. Some advanced features like IMAP support required paid plans, fewer ecosystem integration than email like Drive and Docs. So overall Gmail remains more convenient for general use while Proton Mail shines when privacy matter most. So now let's talk about pricing breakdowns. Well, Proton Mail has both free and paid plans. Free plan, basic Gmail account, 1 GB encrypted storage and good for casual users who want privacy. Then paid plans, Mail Plus. So in the Mail Plus plans, it start around $3.99 per month for more storage, about 15 GB storage and premium features like domains and etc. On the other hand, Proton Unlimited plan around $9.99 per month, including 15 GB SSD storage and access Proton Drive, VPN and other tools. So these are also family and business bundle with larger storage and extra perks. Paid tiers gives you a way more storage, professional tools and custom email domains, and ideal for small business or serious email users. So who should use Proton email? Well, Proton mail is perfect for privacy focused user, professional sending confidential information, people who don't want ads or data tracking, anyone tired of big tech scanning their emails. But if you heavily really on Google service or need tons of cloud storage, Gmail might still be better. Final verdicts. In my opinion, Proton Mail is the one of the best Gmail alternative, especially for privacy lovers. Sure, it has limit on storage and some advanced features are paid. But if security and data protection matter to you, it's definitely worth it. Thanks for watching this Proton Mail review. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment what features matters most in your small service. See you in the next videos.